All right, today, while I am gone, you are going to get a quick introduction to Google Slides, and you are going to get to build a snowman in Google Slides and write a story about him. So, on the left side of your screen, you have the slides. As you click on them, they get larger on the right-hand side of the screen. So this is like a very small kind of table of contents, and I can scroll down here to see what is larger on the other side of the screen. So we're going to take our snowman, who has nothing on him right now, and we're going to add. We can add eyes, mouths, arms, feet, hats, or hair, and some extra items. To do this, you need to remember how to copy and paste. So I'm going to choose from my eyes. So if I want to use these eyes, I'm going to click on them, give them a blue picture frame, hold down Control, and tap C for copy. Remember, you won't see anything happen until you paste it. Then I'm going to click back to my snowman screen. I'm going to click on the screen and I'm going to hold down Control and tap V. So there are my eyes. Now I obviously need to move those, so I'm going to drag them up to where his eyes would be. And then I can do the same thing with mouth. So then I would go on and I would choose a mouth for my snowman. So maybe this one, click, Control C, go back to my snowman, click, Control V, and drag my mouth to where I want to put it. Those red lines just show up to tell you when you're centered. Okay. Once I'm all done with my snowman and I have everything on here that I want, I'm going to write about him. I'm going to delete this line by highlighting it and hitting my backspace button or my delete button. And then I'm going to write all about him. I'm going to write at least 5 good sentences. My snowman's name is Silly Sam. He is the funniest snowman you will ever meet. So, once I've written all 5 of my sentences, if you remember how to change the font, you may do that, the font and the font color. I'm going to suggest you don't change the font size, because if you make it too large, you will end up messing up the entire layout of the slides, and you don't want to do that. So I'm going to say that you need to keep the font the same size that it is, and you need to give me at least 5 good sentences, if not more. When you are done, you can submit this to me, and I will read them when I come back. Hope you have a great day, and I will see most of you around the building on Thursday.